The Whispering Tree. In a small town, there is a very old tree. People call it the Whispering Tree. People say the tree can talk. A young girl named Anna does not believe this. One evening, she goes to the tree. It is quiet. She puts her hand on the tree. "Hello?" she says softly. The wind blows, the leaves move. Then she hears a very quiet voice. "Help me," the voice whispers. Anna is not scared. She is curious. "Who are you?" she asks. "I am a friend," the whisper says. "People forget old trees. Thank you for listening." Anna thinks about the tree all night. The next day, she returns with a small bottle of water. She gives the water to the tree. The tree looks dry and tired. She says, "Do not worry, old friend. I will help you." The tree is happy. It whispers again. The small things are the most important. The small bird needs the small branch. Anna looks up and sees a small bird trying to build a nest. Now Anna understands. She must care for the small forest animals too. Now, Anna visits the tree every week. She listens to its quiet words. The words tell her stories about the old times. She is the only one who can hear them. We have learned simple words like whispers, curious, quiet, dry, and branch. Try to use them. We also practiced the simple present tense. Thank you for practicing English with this story. Never stop learning, and we will see you in the next lesson.